all you need to know, the Bloomberg Quint podcast that prepares you for the day's business.
Hey guys, good morning. I am Agam Vakil and this is the daily morning update from Bloomberg Quint. Today is the 4th of March. We start with an update on the US markets where the rising death toll because of the coronavirus has had an impact on equities. The Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq gave up the gains made day before and declined by 3%. In an important move, the Federal Reserve cut interest rates by half a percentage point in the first such emergency move since the 2008 financial crisis, amid mounting concerns that the coronavirus outbreak threatens to stall the record U.S. economic expansion. For now, however, the U.S. stock futures seem to be stable this morning, and that sentiment has been reflected in the Asian equities as well, which are currently trading flat. In fact, the SGX Nifty futures is also only marginally in the red right now. Now, shifting focus to India, the rupee fell to a 16-month low as virus fears spread. The rapid spread of the virus beyond China has soured market mood globally, prompting central banks, including the Reserve Bank of India, to assure investors that they stand ready to take action. That assurance, however, was not enough to stem the fall in the Indian currency. The rupee fell 0.8% to close at 73.3 against the US dollar, and the local unit has fallen 1.8% in the last 5 trading days. India on Tuesday reported one fresh case of the novel coronavirus, taking the number of people who have tested positive for the respiratory illness in the country to 6. The patient, who is from Jaipur, is in isolation and is stable, according to a Health Ministry press release. Now, India's central bank governor, Shaktikanta Das, says that he is ready to act to shield the economy from the coronavirus and reiterated there is room to cut interest rates if needed. Now, these are just some of the updates from the world economy and ours, but let's get in Darshan Mehta to see what's making headlines in Indian markets. Good morning, Darshan.
Good morning, everyone. Now, the US markets were down almost 700 points post the surprise Fed cut that came in. But surprisingly, the European markets ended with a positive bias. Asia is trading with a positive bias, and the SGX Nifty is trading flat currently. So it'll be interesting to see how the day pans out. In terms of stocks, Indiabulls Real Estate said that the progress of the merger of certain assets of the Embassy Group with the company is progressing well, and additionally, Embassy has reached out at an advanced stage of discussion with foreign financial investors such as Blackstone and others for an investment of $200 million. Upon the merger, these foreign investors will also become shareholders of the merged Indiabulls Real Estate listed entity. Max Financial Board has approved the allotment of 7.54 crore shares, that's close to 22%, at 565 per share, aggregating to 4264 crores on a preferential basis to Mitsui Sumitomo Insurance for a consideration other than cash. Godrej Properties will be included in the F&O segment with effect from March 27, which is basically the April series, subject to fulfillment of certain criteria. Moody's Investors Service has downgraded Vedanta's corporate family rating to B1 from BA3. Tata Teleservices and Tata Teleservices Maharashtra has paid additional 2,000 crores to the Department of Telecommunications towards the AGR dues. Hindustan Aeronautics said that it has received a notice from the International Court of Arbitration on the request for arbitration from RUAG Aerospace. The amount in dispute is partially quantified by the opponent party is close to 160 crores against the alleged damage on breach of agreement regarding supply of structural parts for the production of the Dornier 228. In terms of bulk deal, Nalanda Fund acquired 3 lakh shares, which is close to 2.4% stake in Cera Sanitary. CDC Group sold in 72 lakh shares in Narayana Rudale. In terms of the IPO, Antony Waste Handling Cell has raised 61 crores from 3 anchor investments, that is MIT Vantage Equity Fund and 238 Plan Associates. SBI Card still now, this IPO has been subscribed 0.87 times and the retail investor has been subscribed 1.2 times. In terms of corporate actions, Tata Chemical is the ex-date for the demerger, so it will trade without the consumer business. In terms of insider trading, Sun Pharma promoter Sangvi Finance has acquired in 19.8 lakh shares on March 3rd. Axis Capital has upgraded Hero MotoCorp to a buy from a reduce with a target price unchanged at 25.30 as they believe that the market share concerns are overplayed and valuations are attractive. And Citi has said that the domestic steel producers have hiked prices by 500 rupees per ton, which is close to 1% for flat products for the month of March. But there's much more you need to know before trade actually starts. For that, log on to our website bloombergquint.com and click on the All You Need to Know tab and you'll be prepared for morning trade.
Well, needless to say, there's plenty to watch out for. Thanks so much for that, Darshan. This is Agam Vakil signing off. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.
I hope you enjoyed listening to All You Need to Know. Did you know that you could listen to the show on the IVM Podcast app? On the IVM Podcast app, along with this, we have a number of other shows which you think you'll enjoy. Listen to Cyrus Says with Cyrus Brocha as the host. Listen to Paisa Vaisa with Anupam Gupta. The Scene and the Unseen with Amit Verma. Or Shunya One hosted by Shiladitya Mukhopadhyay and myself. Check out the IVM Podcast app to get more talk content that you will enjoy.